Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Indian Talent Olympiad award kit. A special box that celebrates the hard work and achievements of students, schools, and principals. Let's see what makes it so exciting. What's inside for the students? Medal of Achievement, a special medal to celebrate your hard work. What's included for schools? Golden School Award given to the top 100 schools at district, state and national levels, highlighting their excellence in nurturing talent. And for principals, framed certificate, a proud recognition to display in the office. Premium leather folder that includes ITO brochure all about the Olympiad. LC kit, important documents for schools. Student checks the awards for top students. Comprehensive guide to cracking the Olympiads. A step-by-step handbook with tips and practice insights for success. Special diaries for daily use or notes. Magazine featuring highlights of the achievements. ITO calendar. A yearly planner highlighting all Olympiad dates, events and deadlines. This kit is more than just awards, it's a celebration of learning, effort and talent. Every medal, check and certificate is a way to recognize and appreciate students, schools and principals for their dedication